Let's check out the GT7 Ultra Smartwatch and see if it's any good. Inside the box we get the watch itself, straps, also a magnetic charger and a quick manual on how to use the watch as well. And this is actually what the watch itself looks like. Let's remove the screen protector from it. By the way, I have already used this watch for a few days. So you see the design actually looks very nice on this watch. We also have a nice scroll wheel over here, one button on this side and another button on this side. Also you see we have our speakers here as well, and also we have a microphone, so yep, we can even make and receive calls from this watch as well. Then also we get these straps, again the Ultra style straps, and the way we put in the straps, so we actually have to simply slide them inside. So you see you have this groove, and let's slide them inside, and you have to actually use a bit of force, but once you actually get them in, they actually stay in very securely, and there is no way how they could get like out. So again, you have to actually use quite a bit of force to do this. Okay, this is what it looks like with the strap. By the way, the length also is very long actually, so it will fit even if you have absolutely huge arms. And the best part about this watch actually is the price of it. Personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid a bit under $10 for this watch. When we actually consider the insanely nice style on this watch and all the features we get, I think that's an absolute bargain. So again, if you also want to get this watch for a similar price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. They will lead you to the cheapest AliExpress listing where you can get this watch for the cheapest price. Again, AliExpress probably is the best place where you can get this watch, as yeah, basically you are purchasing directly from the manufacturer over there for the cheapest price, and also that is with free shipping as well. As you see, they also have it in orange and also this white version which I have here, and this is what it looks like on my wrist. I do have fairly small wrists. When it comes to the style and design, yeah, it actually looks very smart indeed. So for this price, yeah, you really can't ask for a better looking watch. Let's see, also I have a guest on the watch. Okay. By the way, on this watch we also get always on display as well. At this price, that's absolutely ridiculously cool. And also I find the visibility outdoors also very decent on this watch. And the strap quality also feels actually fairly decent on this watch. We get a metal buckle on it actually. So yeah, definitely looks very impressive. And let's check out everything we get on this watch. So first, if I rotate this scroll wheel over here, I can change my watch face. So this has some of the default watch face that we have on the watch already pre-installed. But obviously we can go in the phone app to download even more watch face on this watch. Okay, this one actually looks very decent. So if I swipe down, I can get access to my notifications, maybe WhatsApp notifications and messages. If I swipe like this, see, I can get access to various things that I quickly launch. Also, I can use a scroll wheel to like go down and up as well here as well. For example, you see, you can quickly open up your settings over here. We can adjust the display settings. By the way, again, we even have always on display on this watch as well. And also we can customize basically this button here. So for any actions you see, so I have set mine as a flashlight. So yeah, you see, if I actually press this now, I can turn on my flashlight. So again, you can customize it for many things. So also, for example, you see again notifications. Also I can quickly check my weather here as well, and do a bunch of other things here as well. Okay, if I swipe like this, I get more stuff over here. So again, my weather, like alarm, so we can actually set multiple alarms on this watch. So also basically the stuff, so the activity stuff for the day. Okay, and also like a stopwatch. So you see quite a lot of basic features on this watch. And yeah, more stuff. Also you see I can quickly launch all my apps over here as well. So we have nice grid, but then also we can change the view of these apps as well. Also we can use this button over here to also launch our apps. So you see I changed actually the view and you can see what we actually get on this watch. By the way, when it comes to the sensors and the heart rate tracking, I would really take all this with huge grain of salt, as obviously at this price we really can't expect much from this watch. So generally I think this watch is mainly only to tell time, date, receive notifications and use basic apps. Those health features, personally I actually wouldn't rely on them on this watch. So again, as you see, you can also like literally even make calls from this watch as well. So let's try that. So you see, I have my dial. So you can either, so I'm clicking something randomly. So if I click this, see. So you see, it can literally even like make and receive calls as well. So if someone calls, you will be able to also pick up the call. So at this price, I think that's absolutely ridiculous. So you see, you have your contacts here as well. And also we can actually listen to the music. So yep, we actually have speaker on this watch as well. Also see you have your weather, where you can see the information for the next days as well. So yeah, incredibly useful actually. Calculator, so like a basic calculator, multiple arms here, stopwatch. Okay, we can do also split laps here. Okay, we can remotely take a picture, voice assistant as well, find my phone, even a small game here. Okay, you see, you have to avoid the cars over here in this game. So yeah, how cool is that? Okay, settings, the flashlight. So also the brightness, yep, also is very decent on the screen. Calendar, contacts. So these apps, they actually aren't apps, they're simply a place where you can see notifications from those apps. So drink reminder, language, also you can change app view and various other things. So as you see, it says it has got these features. However, I would suggest you to actually not to trust this health stuff, as obviously at this price we can't actually expect to get a sensor that is actually able to measure the stuff. So also if you swipe like this, you can also see the more tiles. Again, it says it has got blood pressure, but again, yeah, do not trust all this stuff. And also you see, you can also arrange this thing over here and even add some more. So it says has got sleep tracking, so I haven't tested that, probably that also will have limited success. So again, mostly I think this watch is really for basic features such as time, date, also very decent like weather information, calls, like music playback, calculator, stopwatch, timer. So you see, this watch is absolutely loaded when it comes to the features. And this is what the phone app looks like on it. Also see, you can change the various settings here. So the device settings, you see what we can actually do here. Also we can even upload more watch face. So you see you have this watch face market over here where we can download probably crazy amount of different watch face that we can send over to the watch. I see also the watch face in the market also actually fairly decent. So there is definitely something for everyone here. And also we can even make our own dial here as well. Okay, and maybe let's test this. Let's take a picture here, go back and select the picture. Yep, basically you can also resize the picture here, I guess. Yep, okay. So also see you can arrange the like where you want this information here. Okay, save and use, and we'll send over to the watch. So yep, as you see, we have custom watch face. Yeah, how cool is that? And yeah, overall I think this watch is actually really cool. And again, if you want to get the best price on this smartwatch, simply check out the special discount link in the description. It will lead you to the official manufacturer's page on the AliExpress, where you can get it directly for the cheapest price. Again, this price is also with free shipping, and you're purchasing directly from the manufacturer if you actually click the special discount link. For this price and the features we get, and absolutely nice looks on this watch, I think it's absolutely, yeah, cool watch. Anyway, good luck.